Tired of canned air running out too fast or damaging your electronics? We've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best electric air dusters on the market, each one powerful, portable, and eco-friendly. From blazing RPMs to multi-nozzle setups, these gadgets will blow you away. Literally. Let's dive in together and find the perfect one for you.
Item number 5. Introducing the SDFM electric air duster, featuring a 130,000 RPM motor and wind speeds over 52 meters per second, strong enough to rival a super typhoon. With 3 airflow settings, a large capacity battery, and 10-watt fast charging, it's built for performance. Crafted from high-strength, heat-resistant materials, it's both durable and lightweight. Eco-friendly and reusable, it's perfect for cleaning electronics, cars, pet hair, even lighting campfires. Safe, powerful, and versatile, the SDFM duster does more than just blow dust away. Item number 4. Introducing the Dewart Electric Air Duster, a compact powerhouse with up to 350,000 RPM and 280 G wind pressure. It features 4 speed settings, an LED display showing battery and gear level, and a built-in high/SOS light. With Type-C fast charging, it runs up to 180 minutes on a full charge. Weighing just 240 grams, it's perfect for cleaning electronics, cars, pet hair, and more. Safe, portable, and versatile, Dewart is your go-to eco-friendly cleaning solution. Item number 3. Meet the Jufinx X301 Max cordless air duster, powered by a 250,000 RPM supermotor with up to 70 meters per second wind speed for ultra-efficient cleaning. It features 3 speed modes, 4 nozzles, and comes with 2 replaceable rechargeable batteries for extended use. Fully charged in just 2.5 hours via Type-C. Lightweight at 0.82 pounds, it's ideal for electronics, leaves, cars, and even camping. Reusable, eco-friendly, and backed by a 24-month warranty, Jufinx is built for power and portability. Item number 2. Introducing the Audido Electric Air Duster, a powerful jet fan blower reaching up to 280,000 RPM and over 120 meters per second wind speed. With 3 adjustable speeds and a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers up to 3 hours of use with Type-C fast charging. Weighing just 0.4 pounds, it's ultra-portable and easy to grip. This reusable duster comes with 3 interchangeable cleaning tools, perfect for everything from keyboards to car vents. Clean smarter, faster, and more efficiently with Audido. Item number 1. Meet the Zupont Electric Air Blower, featuring a powerful 64mm turbofan motor, reaching 120,000 RPM with a thrust of 1.6 kilograms. It offers 4 adjustable speeds for precise airflow control. The LED light helps clean dark corners easily. Powered by a 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it runs up to 80 minutes cordless. Made with durable, heat-resistant materials, it's lightweight, portable, and perfect for cars, electronics, outdoor use, and more. Which of these electric air dusters is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.